Use every when you mean all as a group, and each when you mean one by one. Number one, I read blank book on the shelf. We are talking about one book at a time, not a whole shelf as a group. So the answer is each. Think one by one. Easy, right? Number two, blank student got a sticker. We are giving attention to one student at a time, so it's each again. Funny to imagine the teacher running around handing stickers one by one. Number three, blank morning, I drink coffee. Now we are talking about all mornings together, a habit. That's every single morning, no skipping. Number four, she waved to the to blank neighbor. She waved one neighbor at a time. So that's each. Imagine her neck hurting from waving at everyone individually. Number five, blank dog in the park was friendly. We are talking about all dogs in general, not like a group, right? That's every dog was friendly. Again, every talks about a whole group, and each talks about one by one. Now, do find more on your own. Check the answers in the comments or near the end of the video. And hey, please like and sub to my channel. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. And I work super hard for you. See you next time. Bye.